What's up, hustlers? It's Paulo the Forward Hustler back with another video. I've been implementing something into my custom SKUs recently and I wanted to share. It's 40 minutes before the end of the day. We're ending the day with 3 units and $48 in sales. Obviously, $48 is not all profit. I want to show you how much profit is. So it's going to show my inactive inventory. So one of the books I sold today is Frommer's Germany. It's a travel guide. So I'm going to click on that. So my SKU, my custom SKU says 005 Lib Lin sale. So 005 means that's the 5th book in the batch. Lib Lin sale is library sale. And 04/17/19, that's April 17, 2019. So I got that 2 months ago. Cost of goods 28 cents. So that book sold for $14 as shown here. So I'm gonna go down to the calculator and my 28 cents was the cost of goods, right? So it sold for 14. Fee is $8.66. Shipping to Amazon would be like a couple cents, so cost of purchase would be 28 cents. I'm gonna put that in. So we estimated around $5.06 on that book. So from 28 cents to $5.06, roughly $5. And let's just say 6 cents is the shipping credit. So that's a great profit right there. Let's go to the next book I sold this morning. So Chess Tactics. So I sold this book. Chess Tactics workbook. I got this. Okay, so the SKU, the custom SKU is 003, third book in the batch, Desiree. So I got that from the thrift store called Desiree, and I got that last month, 05/01/19. So that was May 1st, 2019. Cost of goods $1.93. So we go down to the calculator. Sold it for $14.97. Fee estimate of $8.81. Yes, the fees are insane, but you know what? You just gotta move more inventory. Cost of goods $1.93. We just put that in. So we made $4.23 after paying off the $1.93 and paying off all the fees. Not bad. And the last book I sold today. This book finally sold. A handbook of routine urinalysis. So it's a medical book, I guess, about pee. So custom SKU 016, 16 book and batch, Deseret. Wow, that actually came from the same place, same day. May 1st, 2019, cost of goods $1.93. So with the cost of goods, I have all the books, right? And then I have the cost of goods. I just divide that cost of goods by, I do an average. So let's say I have 20 books and I pay $20. So 20 divided by 20 would be $1. So that would be my cost of goods, right? So that is the cost of goods is roughly an average. So it just makes everything equal and more quicker. So we're gonna go down to the profit calculator, $1.93. Sold that book for $19.94. Fees are $9.55. $1.93 cost of goods. Profit is $8.46. So yeah, nice profit right there. I've been implementing this recently. I want to know. So pretty much in custom SKU, I want to know where I got it from. I want to know when I bought it because I want to avoid long-term storage fees. But I sent this book last month and it sold this month, so that was nice. And I want to know how much I'm sourcing these books for. So yeah, hope this helps. Like, comment, subscribe. That's pretty much it. Just wanted to share that. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know. Let me know if I should be adding any more information to my custom SKUs. Let me know what you do. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.